In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Supabase Management API. We'll start inside the Supabase dashboard. Go ahead and log in, and once you're in, click your profile icon and open the account section. This is where you'll find the settings related to your personal access and authentication. From the account area, click on Access Tokens. These tokens are what allow you to authenticate requests when working with the Supabase Management API. To create one, click Generate New Token. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the token, so choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to create more than one token for different environments or workflows. After naming it, click Generate Token to finish creating it. As soon as the token appears, copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure. This part is very important because the token will not be shown again after this moment. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one. Treat it like a secret credential and avoid saving it in plain text or sharing it in screenshots, messages, or public code. Next, return to the Supabase dashboard and navigate to the specific project you want to manage through the API. Once that project is open, look at your browser's URL bar. In the URL, find the string of text that appears immediately after /project/. That value is your project ID. Save that project ID somewhere safe because you'll need it whenever you want to target this project using the Management API. It acts as the identifier that tells Supabase exactly which project your request is meant for. With your token and project ID ready, the next step is to formulate your request headers. This means preparing the authentication information that your API request will send along with each call. In general, your headers should include the access token so Supabase can verify that the request is authorized. Make sure the token is copied exactly as generated with no missing or extra characters. Once your headers are prepared, you can execute an API call. This can be done from a tool like Postman, a command line utility, or from your own application code, depending on how you prefer to work. The key point is that the request should include the proper headers and target the correct project using the project ID you saved earlier. Finally, handle the API response. After the request runs, review the response carefully to confirm whether it succeeded or returned an error. A successful response usually means your authentication and project targeting were set up correctly. If something fails, double-check the token, the project ID, and the request headers first, since those are the most common sources of issues. With that, you're ready to start working with the Supabase Management API.